Data is key to competing in today's markets. Companies analyze and use market data to inform business decisions, such as how to price their products. And many companies rely on third parties to provide the necessary data. For example, third-party consultants can conduct industry surveys and other data gathering and then sell that information to corporate customers. But in a recent case, the Department of Justice filed a civil suit against a data company called AgriStats, alleging that the company's business strategy of collecting, organizing, and providing data to its customers violated the antitrust laws. Specifically, DOJ alleged that AgriStats facilitated the exchange of competitively sensitive information among competing firms, allowing them to limit competition. Additionally, AgriStats and several of its customers have been sued by private plaintiffs, alleging that they were using the AgriStats data as part of a price-fixing conspiracy. There are also other private suits making similar allegations against other data providers and their customers in the hotel, apartment rental, and mobile home industries. Penalties for antitrust violations can be severe and can include millions of dollars in fines and civil damages, as well as prison time for executives. But in this age of data, how can a company use market information without running afoul of the antitrust laws? First, companies should have policies addressing the permissible use of their own confidential data, including the sharing of that data with outside parties. Second, companies should conduct due diligence on market data received from outside sources. Some questions you might ask: did that data originally come from competitors? Is the information sufficiently anonymized, or is it traceable to specific competitors? Is the information historical, or does it reflect current or future pricing plans? Third, companies should always make pricing decisions independently, regardless of what data they use to inform their decisions. The Department of Justice has raised the stakes for information sharing, but this risk is manageable as long as companies develop compliance strategies for their use of market data. For more on compliance topics, visit arnoldporter.com and stay tuned for more in our Critical Compliance series.